Now.
Hey, it's Bob here with another update on the snow and ice storm. It's just a little bit before noon on Tuesday, February 1st, and the kind of freezing rain continues. Pookie's here running the camera. We're out on the kind of the front porch here. You want to get a close-up of the icicles on that bush there? Walk over. Oh, you don't want to walk over to it, do you? Come on, be bold. Step out on the ice. But yeah, it's coming down. There are people still out driving, which is a little bit crazy too. But so far, freezing rain, sleet, no snow, which is supposed to be coming later. But we're going to keep you posted here as it continues. I'm meteorologist Bob Baker.